What's going on, everyone? I'm Katerina Contreras and I'm trying to be your new host for XHIT. So please let us know how I'm doing, if you like these workouts or you want to see more workouts in the comment section below. But first, we got to work out together. We have a 15-minute HIIT workout. It's only 5 exercises. We're going to be doing 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest. I'm literally going to be doing the exercises with you. So grab a towel, grab some water, and let's get into it. All right, so our first exercise is gonna be a jump, lunge, squat combo. We have 40 seconds, let's do it. So you're gonna be alternating your lunges, going right into a squat, giving me a nice high jump. Making sure your weight is in your heels and you're breathing the entire time. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Don't stop, keep going, about 20 seconds left. Remember, we want quality over quantity, so if you can't jump, you can just give me a step back into a squat, into a lunge, or jump the whole time. 5 seconds, almost there. 2, 1, rest. All right, shake your legs out, breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. We have 20 seconds of rest. Really focus on dropping that heart rate down. Next is gonna be a low plank, knee to elbow. If you can't do the knee to elbow part, just hold a plank. It's 40 seconds of work. Let's do it. To the plank, right leg, and then left leg. Try and keep your booty down. Try and touch your knee all the way to your elbow, or as far as you can. Keep breathing the whole time. Keep that booty down. Focus on engaging your core, and don't quit. Breathe. Push yourself. Remember, if you can't do the knee to elbow, just hold that plank. You're just gonna hold it right here. And you're gonna think about that 6-pack in the making. 3, 2, and rest. Woo! Shake it out. All right, our next one, we're gonna stand on up. It's gonna be A steps. And remember, in this 20 seconds, breathe, okay? Breathe through every single thing. Get that heart rate down so you can really push yourself in this 40 seconds. We got our A steps in 2, 1, all the way up. We're gonna be alternating right leg, then left leg. Can you speed it up? Remember, this is only 15 minutes, so I really want you to push yourself the entire time. You made a commitment right before we started working out. I know you can do it. We got 20 seconds left. Keep breathing. Really engage that core every time you lift that knee up high. You got this. Halfway through the first round. In 5, 4, breathe. Almost there, and rest. Woo. We're only 3 minutes in, and I'm already dying. You guys doing good? All right, we got our 1 tuck jump and our 1 English burpee. So with that tuck jump, you can go all the way up. If you can't do the tuck jump, give me 2 high knees. 3 more seconds. Take a deep breath. Let's go. Up and out. Up and out. Your English burpee, no push up, no jump, because we're doing it with that tuck jump. Keep breathing the whole time. Really getting a cardio workout right here. Keep going. Breathe through everything. Almost there. So close. Don't stop. 5 seconds. 3. Almost there. Give me 1 more tuck jump. Rest. Woo, tuck jumps are tough. All right, we have 1 more exercise. Then we're gonna repeat this 2 more times. We have our bear shoulder taps. Down on the ground. One thing I want you to focus on is make sure you're engaging your core the whole time and you're not shifting your hips around. Let's go. Knees are hovering over the ground and you're just alternating that arm to shoulder. Woo! Those quads are burning. Those shoulders are burning. Your core is burning. Keep breathing. Keep moving. Don't stop. If you can't touch your shoulders, just hold your bear stance. Really feel like a bear. I just want you to feel like a bear right here. But if you can touch your shoulders, speed it up. Speed it up. Let's go. In 5. So close. 2. And rest. 20 seconds. All right, that's it. Those are the only exercises we're doing today. We are just repeating it 2 more times. Keep moving. If you need a sip of water, grab a quick sip. We have about 7 seconds till the next exercise. We're gonna be doing our jump, lunge, squat combo. We're gonna work in those legs. Let's go into that squat, into the lunge. We are working the booty, the inner thighs, your quads, and your cardio. I told you this was gonna be a full body workout. Keep breathing. Don't stop moving. Don't quit. Remember, you don't have to jump. You can step back, squat, step back. Weight in your heels the whole time. Keep breathing. So close, but if you can jump, give me those jumps. Full range of motion. 5. So close. Rest. Oh my goodness. Are your quads burning? Because mine are literally screaming at me right now, but that's okay. That's why we're pushing ourselves 15 minutes. All right, we're getting into our ab workout with our low plank, knee to elbow. Try and give me a few of them. Remember, let's work. It is quality over quantity. I don't want to see ugly form. I don't want you to hurt yourself. I want you to push yourself, but in a safe way. Keep going. Don't stop. This workout is for you. I really want you to keep pushing yourself the whole way. It's only 15 minutes and you're halfway. Let's go. Breathe. 5 seconds. Almost there. Rep it out, come on. Rest. Woo! My core is burning. All right, we're gonna stand on up. We have our A steps. Just step around, breathe. This is a full cardio motion, but we are gonna be getting that core workout. Engage that core every time you lift that leg up. Here we go, and work. Woo, I'm sweating. We haven't even hit 10 minutes yet. Keep going. That's what XHIT is about, pushing yourself in a short amount of time, getting real results. Let's go. Engage that core, breathe. 20 seconds, come on. I'm here with you. I know it's hard, I know it's tough, but you can do it. 5, in 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Woo! All right, deep breaths. You have 20 seconds. Focus on that heart rate dropping because we have those. I know it's your favorite move. It's tuck jump time with that English burpee. I'm gonna show you the modification first and then I'll go into that tuck jump. So if you can't do tuck jumps, that's okay. Give me 2 high knees. High knees into an English burpee. High knees, English burpee. This is that modification. Doesn't really feel like it though. Still getting your heart rate up. We're still engaging that core. Keep breathing. All right, let me see your tuck jumps. All the way up and down. Almost there. So close. Don't stop. Keep breathing. In 5. And rest. We did a little extra one because I know you guys want to do together. All right, we have our bear shoulder taps. Let's get on the ground. We're getting in that bear position. I don't know why it's called the bear position because I feel like bears are standing up, but you know what? Our bears are gonna be low to the ground. Let's go. Tap those shoulders. Keep breathing. Try your best. Don't move those hips like this. I know you want to, but keep those hips nice and square. Engage that core. If you can't shoulder tap, hold strong in your bear position. Suck that core in. Keep breathing. But if you can tap, give them to me. So close. 5 seconds, come on. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Round 2 is done. That means you have 5 minutes left. You can do absolutely anything for 5 minutes. Keep breathing. The last time you're doing any of these exercises, I promise. All right, we have 3 seconds. We're doing our jump lunges squat combo. Let's go. Breathe. Keep that chest high. When you're in that lunge, make sure that knee isn't going over your toe. Breathe. We're just about halfway. Remember, you can step and step. Just keep moving. That's okay if you do a combination of both. I just want you to work for 40 seconds. Less than 5 minutes. Here we go. Give me some jumps. 5. So close. 3, 2. Rest. Oh my goodness. Your quads are gonna feel that for like at least 5 days. I know it is. All right, core time. We're getting to our lower plank. Remember, we want to keep that butt down nice and flat in your back. All the way up to that elbow. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Breathing through every single motion. The second you feel like you're gonna quit, give me 5 more reps. And then don't quit. Let's go. You can hold this plank just like this. Really focus on that mind to muscle connection. We're really burning out that core. We're using those shoulders, those arms. So close, 5 seconds. And rest. We're almost done. We only have 3 more exercises left and you are done for the day. You're gonna feel so good, so proud of yourself, burning calories for the next 36 hours. We have A steps. Let's breathe. This is a straight cardio movement. I want you to go as fast as you can. Let's go. Stay safe though. Make sure you're landing soft when you transition. How high can you shoot that knee up? Are you having a good time? I'm having a good time. Can you tell by all the sweat just dripping down my face? I know you're feeling it. Come on, 20 seconds. Speed it up. Go, go, go. This is it. 10 seconds left. Let's go. 5. We're so close. 3, 2, 1. Rest. It's everyone's favorite. It's tuck jump time. If you haven't tried a tuck jump, let's just try one. If you can't do tuck jumps, give me that double high knee. I'm moving around and I'm breathing to help drop that heart rate, but we're going in 3 seconds. Tuck jump. Let's go. Up into that burpee. Into our English burpee. Keep breathing. Keep moving. Remember, you can give me 2 high knees into that English burpee. Or full tuck jump. This is it. You don't have to do this again. I promise. Come on. So close. 5 seconds. Come on. Give me 1 more. 1 more. And breathe. Woo. Last exercise. That means we have 1 minute left. 1 minute of work. I know you can do this. I know you're tired. I know 15 minutes feels like 4 hours, but this is it, all the way. Give me those bear taps. Come on. Try holding it the entire time. Finish off strong. Finish off proud of yourself. We got this. Breathe. So close. About 20 seconds. Come on. Breathing and moving. amazing. Just about 10 seconds, let's do it. Don't stop, speed it up. This is it. 3, 2, 1. We are done. Oh my goodness. 15 minutes truly felt like 4 hours. I am so proud of you. Thank you so much for working out with me. Please make sure you're subscribed to XHIT and let me know how I did as your coach, because I want to keep working out with you. Let me know what other workouts you want to do, and let me know if you're sore. I'm Katerina Contreras, and I'll see you next time.